Measurement systems differ by country. As explained in the previous video, in Japan, メートル法, the metric system, is used. I've lived in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, and I've visited the UK. I found it confusing that the measurement units differ in each country. First, let's look at the measurement systems used in these 5 countries. In the United Kingdom, ヤードポンド法, the imperial system, is used. It's a system of measurement that developed in the UK and was established in 1824. It includes units such as yards, pounds, and gallons. In Australia, the country switched to the metric system in the 1970s, and it's now used in most aspects of daily life and commercial transactions. New Zealand, like Australia, began switching to the metric system in the late 1960s, and it is now used in most aspects of daily life and commercial transactions. In the United States, 米国慣用単位 US customary units are used. It's a system of measurement that developed uniquely in the US. Basic units like yards and pounds are similar to those in the British imperial system, but some units such as liquid, gallons, and ounces have different definitions. The metric system is used in scientific, medical, and industrial fields. In Canada, the metric system has been adopted as the official system of measurement since 1970. But units from the imperial system, such as pounds, inches, and gallons, are still in use. 長さ length. Let's look at the commonly used units in the metric system and imperial system. These 4 units are taught in Japanese elementary schools. ミリメートル、センチメートル、メートル、キロメートル。10 times of millimeter is centimeter. 100 times of centimeter is meter. And 1000 times of meter is kilometer. In Japanese, kilometer is often abbreviated as kilo. インチ、フィート、ヤード、マイル。12 times of inch is feet. 3 times of feet is yard. And 1760 times of yard is mile. The conversions from the metric system units to the imperial system units and vice versa are as shown. 質量 mass. Let's have a look at the units of mass. ミリグラム、グラム、キログラム、トン。1000 times of milligram is gram. 1000 times of gram is kilogram. And 1000 times of kilogram is ton. In Japanese, kilogram is also abbreviated as kilo. オンス、ポンド、ベイトン、エイトン。16 times of ounce is pondo. 2000 times of pondo is beiton. Or 2240 times of pondo is eiton. Here are the conversions of mass. 容量 capacity. Let's have a look at the units of capacity. ミリリットル、 デシリットル、リットル。10 times of milliliter is deciliter, and 10 times of deciliter is liter. Deciliter is taught in school but are hardly used in everyday life. カップ、パイント、クォート、ガロン。2 times cup is pint. 2 times pint is quart, and 4 times quart is gallon. As you see, the capacity differs between the imperial system and US customary units. The conversions from the metric system units to the imperial system and US customary units are as shown. So, in the UK and the US, when I order a pint of beer, I get more in the UK. Good to know. When cooking, we need to be careful because the measurements differ by country. In Japanese, teaspoon is kosaji, tablespoon is osaji, and measuring cup is keiryou cup. Here is a table of the capacity for teaspoons, tablespoons, and measuring cups in each country. Especially tablespoons and measuring cups differ by country. Ondo, temperature. In general, there are two units used for temperature and body temperature. Celsius is called sesshi, and Fahrenheit is kashi in Japanese. Here are the main conversions between Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures.